Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Murray. I can remember well this time. So, anyway, what we're doing today is, as you know, yesterday, well, actually more like this morning, I don't remember what time. But this morning I posted a video called Cool Academy Build. I'm pretty sure it was called. I can't exactly remember. I'm sorry. Showing me, I think, building the front and the road and all that. This tree, I'm pretty sure I built off camera. I can't remember. But you know, I showed you guys this, the football field. I did this part, I do believe. And I know that I definitely built this schoolhouse on the school classroom off camera. So what I'm doing now is basically I'm just outlining how I'm going to be doing the second floor. And you're like, second floor already? You haven't even built the walls. This does count as a wall, so. So yeah. Let's see. Is that tall enough? Now we still need like two more. One, two, two. Okay, sweet. That's good enough. Watch, I'm gonna count this to like 5 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what the heck is up with me in 5? Hmm. Okay. I could probably make this look like a secret room. You know, maintenance. Make it go down. Secret basement. No, no. What? Did you hear me say something? Okay. Anyway. Just filled it in. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So next we have to build this. Yeah, that seems good enough. Build this. Why did I put that there? So does this even work? Oh, no it doesn't. We need to build this up one. Go. That's 4, so I just need to bring it up by one more to make it 5. So like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, deal. Okay, now like this. Oh my god, do not pay attention to that. Facebook messages, I know. Right here, so you go down like this, you take a turn like this, go back up like this, and then you just like see this in our entire little hallway. Yeah, it's a little bit above it. Okay, so you know what? Oh, I'm really close. I'm really close. I mean, I missed it by like 20 blocks. Ah, sitting in the bleachers, best place ever. Just oh, oh, no, it's the best way to place. Plus, the best place to sit is like right here exactly. Because you get like the best of both teams. There's more like in the middle, I think. Yeah, I think so. Just like see both teams. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. In the description, why do I waste the description? Let's see. In the comments, please leave what do you think the school mascot should be. Okay. Okay. Just finish building the staircase, and then we can move on to actually building the classrooms. Oh wait, I need to bring it up by one more. Here, there, here. Okay, so we can just go like this, and go like this, because it might already be. And this will obviously, I don't know what this will be part of. Wait, this will still be inside the building. This will just be like a little kind of. I should probably add picnic tables over here. Whoa, what I meant to do. So just clear like a little area of this, I guess. Okay, there we go. Okay, sweet. So, guess it goes like this. Stone pressure plates because we're a fancy school. Okay, sweet. Up like this. Grab the red wool because red looks really awesome right now on this texture pack. What? How did it get over there? Sweet. There, because I never know whenever the weather's going to turn back on, so yeah. I want people to have a nice little place to sit down and have lunch without worrying about getting wet if it does decide to sprinkle. Okay, sweet. I think I should probably just make it in the middle. See, stone pressure plate right there looks nice. Okay, sweet. There. And we can jump. What? What? What the heck? Not able to get back in. Fine. Actually, I have a correction I need to make in the classrooms now. Well, in the classroom now. Excuse me, peoples. Boss, come in here. Just like this. There's that. This. This. Okay. So I have a way that I can actually Here's the seats. If you don't mind missing class, a loud class I meant to say. There we go. There. Will you just be on top? Thank you. Oh my god. There. Actually, no, I don't like that kind of seat for the inside. Let's keep it quartz. I don't want to make it seem like I'm spending not enough money on this place. Ooh, that looks much nicer. Okay. Ooh, yeah, I love this class. Well, not exact. I hate math, but I just love the way the classroom looks. Donnie, okay. And then my book. Oh, sweet. Oh, yo, ready for class? No, we're not ready. Good. Okay. Oh, this was for Lucas. Okay. Okay, it's time to go back to your others. Okay. These lockers are kind of weird because you can't really open them. You can only stand in there, stand and stare. And then over here you can. Oh wait, I forgot about the chairs, the seats. Yeah, because they have seats there. I think there's like a seat right here. And wait, what? What? Oh, it's supposed to be over here on this side. No wonder whenever I built it, I was like, wait, this isn't even. That's why. Replace this with this. There we go. Now it's even. Sweet. This is basically this 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 right here is basically going to be the commons. You know, where you just sit out and chill. I should probably add some benches right here. Oh, that's nice. Super nice. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. There. Oh. There. That. That. Then that. Oh, that looks awesome. I love it. I love it. Wait, we can just fill that in with this. Okay, they're gonna be like, no, that's a fake tree. What do y'all think about? What would you all rate my tree? Leave it in the comments. Haha. Okay, time to go upstairs for the next class. Oh yeah, by the way, all the math classes will be labeled 1, because you know how it was 1A, so 1B would obviously be the next level math class. Let's see, is this my class? Yes, it's 1A. Wait, 1A math, yes. Let's see, where was my seat again? Oh yeah, she seated me in the middle back. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, class is dismissed, students. Don't forget your homework. I already did my homework during class. Oh, let's see my locker. Meet me at the rooftop if you need meet me at the rooftop to discuss Anyway. Oh yes, I love that work. Time to go to the rooftop, and I'm completely about what is about to happen to me. Ha 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 ha. So basically, that's kind of what it is. Oh, oh, that's what he should shoot the bow and arrow. Oh, oh, wow. I like that. Okay. I've built a school before, but I've never been built like this kind of school. Let's see. There should be a classroom right here. There should be like the fine arts. Fine arts, yes. Let's see, make it a double door. Sweet. Looking nice. Going to have a big window for this classroom since I know how the choir students like windows. She's gonna. That's another friend. I need to text Nikki later. So let me just finish up this. Wait, how long has this been going? Wow, it's been going on for a good while. Literally me just acting as if I went to the school. Um, okay, sweet. So this should look good enough as a choir room. I can already see some girls in the description in the watching this video going, ooh yay choir, can I roll? Okay, then again there's yeah, there's some of you girls who don't like choir. I'm going to be very mad at you someday whenever I meet you, but hey. um there we go. Okay, so this was basically my favorite class build. So let's actually wait. Why do I have a cooked for lunch? Don't look at my lunch. See, there you go. There we go. There. It looks clear. That's why I like this texture pack. It makes the glass look clear. Okay, sweet. Oh. So let's see. I have a feeling that I want to make the next one out of birch doors. Ooh, that looks so cute. Okay, sweet. So next, all we have to do is put that there, put that there, put that there, put that there. Okay, then we just need to replace the corners with it too. Okay. So I know exactly how I'm going to make the square room. It's going to start with the rows at the back. No, I think I want to use a different kind of wood. Acacia. What does acacia? Oh, I like acacia. Okay, sweet. Okay, this is an empty place so you can walk. Okay, sweet. So, let's see. Okay, so I guess it's gonna be... Okay, you know what? Let's just do this, and then do this. Okay. So it's just like, okay, come on, we need to go. Oh, that seems very organized. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Screw it. Okay, it seems better now. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, sweet. So this is the choir. Okay, there we go. Just... No, because we're gonna need somewhere for the teacher. Okay, so... Okay. So that seems good for a teacher. You know, she can come over here and work on her computer. um... No, I can't do that. Just know that this is basically her using her computer. Okay. Okay. Sweet. So this side is going to be soprano. Wait, no, soprano. And this side will be alto. I think that's how it goes anyway. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry, miss. Okay. So the second period will obviously be choir. So it will be 2 dash uppercase A done. Choir. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Pressure Plate. Actually, everybody has the same exact schedule, so yeah. Okay, so this will be first period. You know what? I want to make class 1 dash A. I want to change this to science. Uppercase SCIENCE. Science. There we go. Okay, sweet. Second period is choir. Then I'm gonna have the computer lab somewhere. Nowhere though. Then I'm gonna have it on the second floor. Not on the other side of the building. So it's like, oh, I need to work. But then we're gonna have lunch, and then computer literacy. Did y'all hear something? I don't know. Maybe it was just the wind. Wait, is there no space over here? Oh, actually, yeah. I can just like make it off here and to the side. On the other side, I can make it math over here, and then over there, obviously at the court will be what's it called? PE, physical education. I can obviously step all over this tree since I made it. It's not natural spawning. I wish there was natural trees like that. I should have just put a dark oak tree if that's what I wanted. I'm dumb. Okay, sweet. So we got this. This is where I sit back here and go, oh my god, did you see? Oh wait, no, I sit over here because I'm no, I sit all the way on here because I'm a soprano. Like, oh my god, did you? Okay, people, turn to page 3 in your music books. Yeah, I heard that. Complete the following. I don't remember what they're called. Okay. So next, ding ding ding. Time for lunch. Oh, if I can figure out how to use these. Thank you. Need to walk. Need to work on using those. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cut this down. Oops. Okay, so it's time for lunch. You know, I have lunch with other students because I'm awesome like that. Of course, I'm going to eat. No, I want cooked. I want tuna, raw tuna. No, I'm just joking. Of course, I had the best mom ever, and she packed me pumpkin pie. I know, right? Time for lunch. There you go. Time for lunch. Nom 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 nom. Okay. And then let's just be portraying. Let's build the computer lab next. Well, guys, this is all I got for today. So I'm gonna build the computer lab off camera, and just show it to you on well, whenever we basically vote for president. I kind of just unveiled something to you. Wait, actually, whenever we vote, who's the best builder. So bye, guys.